Kyrie Irving, Knicks point guard? Well, number 11 talked with media after the Celtics' 103-101 win over New York on Saturday about strongly considering that. I mean, every team was under consideration, but obviously New York held a special place for me. Kyrie said after having 16 points, 5 assists, and a rebound in the 32 minutes he played against his special place. Just being from Jersey and obviously envisioning myself as a free agent and ultimately taking a meeting and playing for David Fizdale and a great young core that they have here. Thinking about playing with Kristaps Porzingis, that was a big thing before I made my decision just to plan on re-signing back with Boston. But yeah, of course, New York was a strong consideration. Well, let us remember that Kyrie said last month that he plans on re-signing with the Celtics. He has his player option for 2019-20, which is his 5th and final season of his $94 million contract.